In this video, we'll walk you through the process of adding bulk awards to draft or the Enqueue. First, navigate to the bulk award section and click on it. Next, download the sample CSV file provided. Now let's move to the next step by clicking on Next. Here you'll find an option to save as draft. Make sure to enable this checkbox. Proceed to the next step by clicking Next again. Now it's time to choose the file you want to upload. After uploading your file, click on Next to verify your awardees. Here, review the list of awardees and ensure everything looks correct. Once verified, proceed to award credentials accordingly. After awarding credentials, click on Take Me Back to the Credential Awarding page. You'll now find the list of awardees in draft or the Enqueue. To finalize, click on More and approve credentials individually, or select all and approve, and there you have it. You've successfully added bulk awards to draft or the Enqueue on CertifyMe. Thank you for watching.